Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enter Practice Arena. In the beginning, let's go to Learn to Play and go to Practice Arena. Now you can go to menu and select scenarios, free kick, practice match. You can change camera, practice difficulty. You can select sites and check skill moves help. And that's basically it. Press square to add player. Press circle to remove player. And now you can practice on your own. Press share to start game. And now you can, for example, practice skill moves. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.